Hello, this time we're talking about the application called Aver PTZ app. So this application came with the Aver camera. So I have a camera Cam520. So just give you a quick demo on this application and the performance of this camera. So we can see once you launch the application, it will ask you to upgrade the firmware if it's not upgraded yet. So here you can enable the camera view and you can control the camera from this app. Okay, so you can watch the camera's inside picture. It's quite sharp, the picture actually, from my point of view, very clear, and lighting, internal lighting is quite fit. Okay, I'm changing some options so you can see the difference. You can pick up remote camera, 2D cameras, and you can change the binding. This controller can allow you to control 3 cameras, and here's the settings. You can change a couple options. Okay, hotkey control will allow you to use your keyboard to control the camera. And some other options, sleeping, okay, this is a full screen view. Okay, control is quite fast actually, and focus is quick. It's about 7 to 10 meters away.